disruptive technology, co-creation and innovation at the service of people. That's what the Social Digital Lab, the Suara Cooperative's laboratory for social innovation, is all about. And ACCIÓ has certified it as a reference in disruptive technology with the Catalonia Exponential Leaders'24 stamp. At the Social Digital Lab, a 1,000 square meter laboratory in the 22 at Technology District, we offer innovative and technological answers to the main social challenges of today, such as the aging population, the increase in mental health disorders, gender-based violence, digital literacy, or the challenges around the care sector, or well-being. In order to make this a reality, we follow the European Living Lab's quadruple helix model, which we use to promote open innovation and intercooperation with tech companies and startups, public administrations, universities, research institutes, and the public, in order to design, develop, and implement different solutions.
A Suara Cooperativa estem col·laborant en el moment que estem treballant conjuntament amb les diferents hèlixs, amb les diferents parts que confeccionen una societat, com per exemple pot ser des de la ciutadania, l'administració pública, el món acadèmic i per suposat el món empresarial. Estem treballant totes plegades en aquesta nova manera també d'entendre la innovació social i tot això s'ubica en el Social Digital Lab.
We put innovation at the service of people and empower the community so that they can take control of technological tools and close digital, social and economic gaps.
El Social Digital Lab va néixer per donar resposta al que seria tots els reptes socials de l'organització i també de l'economia social de Catalunya. En aquest cas, l'objectiu és crear espais per poder dissenyar noves solucions, nous productes, nous serveis, on la tecnologia tingui un paper, per tant, posar en joc aquesta part de co-creació, aquesta part d'experimentació, de poder pilotar, de poder tastar i dissenyar solucions el més adequades possibles a les necessitats de les persones.
Over the years, we have explored and designed innovative and disruptive solutions, such as the implementation of virtual and immersive reality and therapeutic treatments that improve emotional well-being and mental health. We have started pilot tests using robotics and sensorics in home care, and have used artificial intelligence and big data to design more precise diagnostic tools and treatments.
Nosaltres enfoquem en diferents reptes, com per exemple la promoció de l'autonomia en els domicilis, garantir aquesta dignitat d'envellir en el teu mateix domicili, a la teva pròpia llar, i després també tota una capacitació transversal en aquestes noves tecnologies que per suposat han vingut per quedar-se.
The maker culture and the concept of circular economy permeate every way of working at the Social Digital Lab. On the one hand, we have spaces for experimentation where Suara's members and workers can learn about robotics, programming, or how to use a 3D printer to create solutions to the challenges we have in the organization. Through the circular economy, we can manage the waste generated from our services in an effective and sustainable way. We understand the circular economy in a broad sense so that both our members and workers can start new work projects within the cooperative. We live in a global society in which we share similar challenges with people who live thousands of miles away. For this reason, we form alliances beyond our own borders and are a part of the European Living Labs network, NL. The Social Digital Lab is not just about technology, it's about co-creating, experimenting, and developing solutions which help us move towards a fairer, more equitable, and inclusive digital society. At the Social Digital Lab, we turn dreams into projects. Shall we dream together?